Have you ever felt like you're being pulled by two opposing forces inside of you? Like the cartoons we see on television, where a character is being guided by a little angel and a little devil on their shoulder? Well, this isn't too far from our current reality, except for the angel and the devil aren't entities outside of us. They live within us. Different forces constantly control our motives, our actions, and our impulses. If we truly tune into ourselves and observe our internal dialogue, we can see how different voices constantly contradict our thoughts. Our mind is busy. It is in a perpetual state of conflict because most of us have not been able to define who we are. When we are happy, we are pleasant to be around. We exercise kindness, compassion, and affection for those around us. But the next moment, we are upset. We seek revenge. We feel jealous. We are angry and sad. Our energy constantly shifts because we are unaware of the forces that are living inside of us. We like to think of the ego as the negativity within us, but it's not that simple. Life isn't black and white. It's not easy to define good from bad as definitive because every circumstance is specific. But in every moment, we are either acting with the forces of the soul or the forces of the ego. The ego is nothing more than a filter. Imagine a baby that has just been born into this world. They are innocent, pure. They have no opinion or prejudice of the world. They observe with wonder and attention because everything is new to them. But slowly, this child starts to grow older. Their parents' ideas begin to infiltrate their vision. They see their environment and the social norms around them and create ideas about what life is about and how they should act and behave according to the circumstances. As the years go by, this pure essence now holds many layers that they've accumulated with time, and their vision is filtered. It is no longer clear and pure because their eyes now judge. They label. They place people in categories. They feel an emotion or a thought and think of them as truth, and they act accordingly. They begin to feel inferior to others who have more money or status, or if not better than those they feel are below them. They begin to feel jealousy because life hasn't treated them as well as their neighbor. They allow anger, depression, and lust to enter their minds, and they are never fully satiated because their vision has been tampered with by all the filters they've been wearing. This is why the ego can become a dangerous companion. If we're not aware that we're not seeing clearly, we can act on an impulse and forget that these filters aren't us. We can destroy relationships. We can forget to live in gratitude. We'll attach to opinions and things and forget about what our soul truly wants, which is simple peace and serenity. The ego wants more, and it can never be satisfied. It will always tell us to go against the voice of our conscience that works with our soul. And if we listen to it from moment to moment, we will forget who we are, and we will live in suffering because peace can only be found when we are in harmony with our true being. The truth is that most of us have forgotten who we are. We have lost our inner child, our inner purity because we have seen through the eyes of the ego. But we can recuperate our vision once again. We just have to remember our essence. We have to listen to that voice within us that knows what is right for each one of us. The voice of compassion, of love, is the voice that will save humanity from the chaos it has caused because of selfishness. It is in every moment that we are given the choice. What voice will I listen to? Will I silence my soul? Will I listen to my heart? The choice is ours, here and now.